In the production of seamless underwear, the simpler the glue application process, the more it tests the stability of the machine. Let's see how our glue application machine works. Making a high-quality seamless bra involves only 3 steps: material placement, glue application, and pressing. This quick and efficient process saves labor and produces a smooth and flat bra. The glue flows smoothly without breaking. The coating is thin and even, ensuring that the resulting underwear fits snugly and is comfortable. Fast and stable operation. That's the kind of practical equipment factories truly need. We are the original manufacturer, Guangdong Zuoma. We have glue, application machines, and pressing machines. Business owners who need a complete production line are welcome to contact us.